Okay everyone, so this video is going to be short and sweet, and we're going to get into any stock. Now I don't just mean any old stock, I'm talking about Sphere 3D, ticker symbol any, and this is the one that's going to be merging with Gryphon Digital Mining from any time from now up till the end of the year, unless we're told otherwise. In the end, we're going to talk about technicals, but first I want to talk about a little bit of, like, you could say there's an arbitrage here, and you got to keep an eye closely on Bitcoin before the market opens, preferably even before the pre-market. And me personally, I don't wake up by then. I live on the West Coast, so I'm awake and the market's already open, let alone the pre-market. But for anyone that lives on the East Coast or anyone that wakes up that early, I recommend having webull so that you can actually get in the pre-market. But there is definitely an arbitrage here where if crypto rallies getting into the pre-market, you are definitely going to see a rise in most of all the crypto mining stocks, even stocks like the exchanges like Coinbase, Voyager, etc. So definitely keep an eye on this. But we had a crazy run on any, and it went up 23% today. It's up about 26% in the last month. And when you actually compare it here to Bitcoin, you see what I'm talking about. I mean, we already know this, that it pretty much runs with Bitcoin, just like all like crypto mining stocks, although there are sometimes differences just based on volume and different stuff like that. But keep an eye on that. And also the same goes for if Bitcoin drops coming into the pre-market. This is very likely to drop as well, along with all the crypto miners. But that's just one way you can play this to make a little bit of quick money. You could even do some quick calls right in when the market opens if there's a rally in crypto. Definitely keep a close eye on Bitcoin because all of these stocks trade like as close to Bitcoin as they can. But there is sometimes enough of a disconnect there that you can make your own money off of that. And now topping it off with the technicals here, we did have a huge rally today. We are looking at all new highs, at least in the last month or so. And if you don't have a position yet, you could always consider getting one now or just dollar cost averaging. I would personally wait. I did sell like 10% of my position. I took a little bit of profits just because of how far we ran. So when I saw it go up to 8, I did take just a little bit off the top. And I mainly did this because I saw that we were looking a little overbought on the RSI on the 1 day, the 5 day, and on the 1 month. So I wanted to just lock in a little bit of profits. I definitely like to take control of risk management and be kind of careful in that regard, especially with stocks that are so speculative when you see swings from this upper channel all the way to the bottom. And it's done this about 4 times now. So there's a good chance that we will come down. I don't really see it coming down in the 5s, maybe 650, the lowest. I feel like this is possible. Maybe after merger, it could get there. But I definitely want to wait till this gets to the 10 day. So wait for around 750. That's when I'd be waiting to start building out my position further and getting back that 10% that I took profits on. But that's basically what I'm going to be doing here with this one. I'm just going to kind of wait for it to cool down before doing anything else. I might actually buy a couple more call options, some 2023s preferably, maybe some March 2022s, the $9, $10, stuff like that. I just see very limited downside doing that. And as crypto rallies, which is the speculation, and in which I'm very confident that crypto will do very well in the coming months, even years. So I'm not worried about this stock at all. I will be getting my money off of this one. Same with CleanSpark. Riot, I actually bought a little bit of Riot blockchain. But the options are endless. There's a lot of stuff out there you guys can get. Even Coinbase, that seems to sometimes be an easy one to make some money on. But thanks again, guys. Just wanted to quickly bring this to your attention before we get into trading tomorrow. Just keep an eye on this one. I do expect this one to pull back a little bit tomorrow, but of course I could be wrong. Now remember, we're still only at less than a $500 million market cap, even with this huge run up. So I definitely see this thing with a lot of future potential, especially as they get more and more Bitcoin miners on the ground running. Gryphon at least already got their first set. They should have already their second, maybe even their third set of miners, which they're ordering 600 at a time. So they should have that moving along. And also Sphere 3D purchased. They actually have the ability to acquire 60,000 miners. So that is another process that they're working on. But there's definitely big things coming in this company, and I'm definitely bullish on this one. But thanks again, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this quick little update, and hope you guys do great tomorrow.